Using Sezzle at Walmart is a convenient way to split your purchases into interest-free installments. To get started, you need to have a Sezzle account and the Walmart app or access to the Walmart website. First, create a Sezzle account by going to the Sezzle website or by downloading the Sezzle app. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, phone number, and payment information. Once you have a Sezzle account, go to the Walmart website or open the Walmart app. Browse through the products and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. When you are ready to check out, select Sezzle as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Sezzle website to log into your account. After logging in, you will see the total amount of your purchase and the installment plan options. Choose the payment plan that works best for you, which can be 4 interest-free installments due every 2 weeks. Review the terms and conditions. Then confirm your purchase. You will receive an email from Sezzle with the payment schedule and instructions on how to make payments. To make payments, log into your Sezzle account and click on the payment button. You can also set up automatic payments through your bank account or credit card. Using Sezzle at Walmart is a great way to budget your purchases and avoid overspending. It is essential to make timely payments to avoid late fees. Sezzle also offers a rewards program, which gives you points for every dollar you spend. You can redeem these points for discounts on future purchases. In summary, using Sezzle at Walmart is a straightforward process that involves creating a Sezzle account, selecting Sezzle as your payment method at checkout, and choosing a payment plan. By following these steps and making timely payments, you can enjoy the benefits of interest-free installments and rewards points.